Can't hear the words you're telling me. Guess I'm not who you want me to be. Say I take you for granted. You need something less intense. You got me like, but we don't fuck like we used to do. And when we talk, you make it all about you. You know the things that you'd like to change about me. It'd be easier if I ever heard you say sorry. You asked permission and I let you, like if I never even met you. Think that I've seen this show before. Thought that I never could regret you, and then you act like I'm a stranger. Maybe I guess I like it too much, yeah. Too many times that you've been stuck in my head, freezing you out and